How can one make money online in 2021 is the main topic when getting started. So let us examine the potential. There are various ways of doing it. The first one is the obvious one and the one I am going to focus on for the moment, that is writing articles. You just do a search in Google for some phrase and you are provided a bunch of articles related to that subject. You have to select one or just a few to read and then write a short paragraph summarizing the points they make and then publish. You may be surprised at how well you can learn the topic if you have the time to do it. But if you do not have the time, you may as well choose something else. There are other alternatives that can be done. For example, using free internet marketing tools. If you have spare time, you may want to take the Google training and get as much of that as possible. The second way is to take a course or a training module from a guru and you just follow exactly what they tell you to do and you do not need to spend any money at all. The good thing about this is that there are thousands of people online telling you exactly what to do and how to do it. They are called gurus and they have products for you to promote. Some gurus offer a free course in exchange for people signing up for their particular system. These systems are not real systems. They are made up and are very easy to start up with and they require no effort on your part. But of course, if you do want to put in some effort, you can do a search and get a free one. The third way is the free method, which is the method I prefer. You may want to start with this method because it takes just some time and the problem is that you may not know the exact topics that you will be writing articles about. But you can start with the free method. Just do a search for free article marketing system and you will find a lot of them. These are the three ways that I prefer. I am sure there are other ways to write articles. But these three are very easy, they require only some time and no money. Once you get the hang of this, you may want to consider the other methods.